Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, so these are the confirmed spoilers for the December BoxyCharm Premium Box. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which were spoilers for the Ipsy December Ultimate Box. Congratulations, Sarah Finney. Sarah says, "Hi, Mandy. Thanks for the great video." Well, thank you so much, Sandra. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much, honey, for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive in this. I'm going to show you what is confirmed that is going to be in the December BoxyCharm Premium Box. First thing is you'll either get the Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose Palette or the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures palette. Now, if you are a premium or a Boxyluxe member, you will get the Dose of Colors palette to avoid getting duplicates. Now, the next thing is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is going to be a full size, so that's real exciting. And the next thing was the 2 choice items, which you should have already been able to choose. The first thing is the Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Treatment. Now, you got a choice between that or the Skin Fix Incorporated Dermatitis Balm. And of course, there is going to be 3 more spoilers left to be revealed for this. And as soon as they do, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Amber Malinich. I think that's how you say that. Don't you come after me, Amber. I can't pronounce anything. Anyways, Amber says, "Hi, beautiful. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for the videos." Well, thank you, Amber. I really appreciate that, honey. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Now, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And, guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept it. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on and make sure you hit all notifications. That way you don't miss no spoilers. You'll be on top of everything. You'll know more than everybody on the internet. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.